Guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Halloween decorations available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 5 we have Gdagets 6FT Halloween Inflatable Decoration. This Halloween pumpkin comes with skull body with LED lights built inside. The pumpkin with skull body made children's love at first sight. Beside Halloween it can be used as any other holiday decoration. The pumpkin with skull body inflatable is made of high-strength waterproof polyester. At number 4 we have Join Halloween Decoration. This 53 inches Join Halloween White Ghost Decoration Set. It is the ideal addition for your tree, office, house, yard or garden. One of this white spook features a classic white body and funny smiling face, while the other one features a spooky face. At number 3 we have Join Halloween Decoration. One 12-inch pumpkin with purple witch hat, one 12-inch pumpkin with orange witch hat. Two 6.5-inch pumpkins comes with black and purple witch hats. It is perfect for Halloween theme party, holiday indoor-outdoor decorations, Halloween displays, haunted house decorations, etc. At number 2 we have Season Blow Halloween Decoration. This original design Halloween hanging ghost comes with elastic band at the top and both sides that can be fixed anywhere. This 10ft long Halloween flying ghost decoration comes with glowing skeleton masks. At number 1 we have BZB Goods Halloween Decoration. This self-inflates in moment comes with built-in fan when plugs into a standard electrical outlet. It also has internal LED lights create a glowing nighttime display. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Halloween decorations for your need.